The Command Assistant field gives you a simple, direct way to ask TurboCAD for help. Type your question in plain language, whether you want to draw something, modify geometry, or understand a tool, and your request is sent straight to the Copilot palette. Copilot then provides clear steps and explanations so you can keep working without searching through documentation. It's a focused way to get the information you need, right when you need it. This feature requires an active Copilot Help license or a Copilot Professional license. Launch TurboCAD and create a new drawing. Continue to the next step. Click the Command Assistant field to begin typing. Enter any question or task you want help with. Press Enter. The Copilot palette opens and may take a moment to load the response. Once it's ready, you'll see the explanation directly in the Copilot palette. Thanks for watching.